friends, welcome to 12 Days of Christmas Cards. So today I'm going to use the stationery again that I have been using. I love it so much. I wish you could feel it. The texture is absolutely amazing. So, you know, if I enjoy it that much, why not share it, right? Why not create with it? So I thought today we'd go ahead and use a background, and this particular background is from the Heirloom Little Ones paper doll kit. So I thought we'll go ahead and put that down. But before we do, I'm going to go ahead and ink around the edges with some green ink. Now I wanted to mention to you, if I haven't already, if you would like to participate and share your handmade cards, you can do that. I would love it. Tag me, or if you're not a content creator but you would like to share, feel free to share in my Facebook group. And that is Creating with Jovi, Journals and Crafts. And you just have to answer a few questions, and then I can accept you into the group, and then you can share. And if I'm not familiar with you, then I will want to see a few of your posts before I pre-approve you for all of your posts. So I'll have to approve your posts at first. All right, now we are going to go ahead and glue down our background. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, I wanted to let you know that I printed out one of the backgrounds at the normal size, and then I was able to cut it into 3 pieces, which fit pretty nicely on this stationery that I'm using. And so I'm sharing that because I didn't want you to be confused about what the backgrounds might look like, because it's actually an entire picture. I'll show you, let me get this into place, and then I'll show you one of the pieces that goes with it. So like this goes like that, okay? But I cut them, and I think that's working out great. Okay, so I see now that I would like to bring in my green ink just a little bit further. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I don't feel like it has to be solid green up to the background, but I just want to get a little bit more in there. So my friends, here are some of the holiday paper dolls. And so I know some are upside down, but I can fit more on a page when I do that. So I already have him cut out, so I was thinking we'll go ahead and use him on our card. But I did want to show you some of the other ones. They have red dresses and green dresses, and some of them have gold dresses, and the boys have their, dressed in different attire. And just so that you know, the paper dolls, it's not just Christmas. It's the style is year-round. We have some Easter and some fall and summer and all that good stuff, just so you know. All right, so I'm going to grab this green dopper again, and I'm going to go around him. And the only reason I'm doing that is because I did fussy cut. Actually, let me get a little bit of a darker one. I did fussy cut, but I didn't get around it perfectly, so there's a few little white areas showing from the cardstock. I do print out on cardstock, just so you know, when I'm doing something like this, I don't print out on regular paper. Cardstock's a little more firm, and it's just so much easier to work with. All right, so I think he's in pretty good shape. Okay, and I think he looks pretty good right here next to the basket full of blankets. So that's where I'm going to go ahead and glue him down. I hope everybody is doing good today. I hope you'll play along. I'm having so much fun creating these cards. It's a pretty simple task. And it's useful because I definitely send out Christmas cards each year. You know, we don't send as much mail as we used to back in the day, so it's kind of nice to send out Christmas cards, and it's really nice to receive them as well. I get a lot of joy in that. Okay, I think it would be nice to go ahead and accent this little guy. So I have some gold stickles here. I'm going to do gold on his buttons on his jacket. And it might be nice to do some gold up on the candles here. So I'm going to flip this over. And actually, I'm going to get the candles down here. Where they're lit, the wick here. I'm going to get that just to give it a little brightness. And I have some, I think this one's called Unicorn. Let's have a look. Yeah, this one's called Unicorn, and it's like a pearlescent, but I think that might be nice on the fur of his coat. So we'll just put a little bit there, kind of spread that around. Maybe I'll put some silver up here in the curtain. Just a few lines of it might look nice. So this is like a coral. It's called grapefruit, but I'm wondering how it will look on the stockings. So I'm going to give this end stocking a little try and see if it would be okay. Yeah, actually the gold shows up really nicely. So I can go ahead and trace the stockings. I think that's going to look pretty cute. Gives it a nice little accent. There we go. It's not over the top, but it's a little extra something. Of course, it's not dry yet, but I still want to share it with you. Pretty simple Christmas card, but I really, really like it. I love that it's handmade and the only one like it in the whole wide world. So that's pretty neat, right? Okay, my friends, well, I hope you will join me tomorrow for another day of 12 days of Christmas cards. Thanks for watching. See you soon.